today we're doing the slime thing. We got blue, pink, and purple, and
Johnny, Johnny.
yes, Mama.
Playing with the pig.
No, Mama. Her squish is so big. Smack big.
Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Mama.
Eating sugar.
No, Mama. Oh my.
Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Mama.
Eating pepper.
No, Mama.
Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Mama.
Making slime.
Yes, Mama. I love slime. I love slime. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Today we're doing the slime thing. We got blue, pink, and purple, and green. So which one you want, Eddie? That. Yeah. I don't want boys' colors.
So you're gonna have the pink and Eric is gonna get the green.
Oh, that is too hard. I'm gonna open this up. It's too hard. I'm gonna open it. Whoa! Open mine. Let me open mine.
Okay, I'll open yours.
Let me open mine. Hey, wait me. Guys, look at. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm done with mine. Now I'm gonna use. I don't know.
Are you gonna put another color? Oh, you're gonna try the blue.
Again. I never have boys' colors. Mommy, open mine. Open mine. I wish I had purple. Do you do yours? I need black. Oh my gosh. I wish I have some. What? There's no more? Go at dark. Whoa!
Ooh, look at that purple.
You want me to do a squeezy? Emmy. There's no more. And more. Put more on mine. And bigger. And how much we need?
I think you're just gonna have to put the whole bottle.
It's gonna be sticky.
But just try to put a little bit, and then if you need more, you can put more. Ooh, Eddie put all of it.
Really? This is gonna be sticky. Okay, now what we need to do now? Mix it?
Mix it.
With our hands?
No, I'm gonna give you some spoons. Hold on. Okay, here are the spoons. They're too big for it, but that's fine.
Oh my gosh, look at mine. Oh my gosh. That's actually mine.
Wow, that's awesome.
Mine is
Look at the bright colors.
It's dark. It's dark. It's dark.
I like your color. Look at that.
Dark.
Purple with green.
And dark. But it doesn't show anything now. Mine is so good. But let's see it stretching. Whoa!
Whoa.
I think it's all ready to come out. It's really sticky. I'm gonna add a little bit more. What?
He put 2 bottles. I think that's fine.
He got 3.
Erick, mix them. Mix them, mix them.
Just keep swimming, and just keep
Like Dory's song, like keep swimming, but this time you're gonna say just keep mixing, yes, just keep mixing, 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 mixing.
Well, this is gonna take for a long time, I think. Same. Whoa, so easy! What? There's no more. Oh, I want more. I want more.
Guys, look what I have. I have some sprinkles.
Give me some, give me some, give me some, give me some, give
Okay,
me
you
some.
choose whatever you want. Let me see what we have. Okay, let me see what I have. We have some chocolate. Look, so they can see what they have. Look, look. Got some blue.
Here.
Some chocolate.
Suspend.
So what are you gonna put, Erick? You're gonna put them on? Ooh. That looks yummy. I wanna eat it.
No, but it's sprinkles. Can't eat it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Look at Erick.
Give me some. I want some. He has so much. Look, I can't even.
Yeah, he almost put the whole bottle. Look, Erick. That's not to eat. You don't eat that.
Guys, if you make slime with this, never eat sprinkles.
Yeah, never eat it.
Yeah, but he does. He just eat it. And that wasn't good. We need to color.
Okay, ready to mix it?
Yep.
Mix and mix it.
Whoa, look at mine.
Look at how cute it looks.
Well, I hope his looks ugly so I can do the best. He's scared. Want to do it? Oh my God! Look at his. Same. Oh, same.
Look how it's coming out.
Look at
It's
my
looking
guys,
great.
guys.
Ooh, Andrea. Very slimy.
Look at my guys.
Look.
Yeah, his is really stronger than mine because mine is not even stronger enough. Because look, I can take.
But you just have to wait a little bit to get it harder.
Oh, so many getters! Oh, it's so cool. I will keep my hand. I don't want to stretch it. It's so cool. Excuse me, you're not allowed to touch it. Whoa, God!
Whoa.
I'm gonna make a bubble. Come on, do it with me. I'm gonna make a bubble. I'm gonna make a bubble. Oh no. Messed up. Whoa.
Whoa.
How do I take this off? It's too sticky. Whoa. I don't think I'm happy. Now it's time for Mr. Pig. Go inside. Go inside. It's not sticking. Oh, it's not sticking. Okay. Oh, it's not sticking in it. Oh. Mr. Pig! Pig, go inside. This is for you, Mr. Pig. Big.
He's making that noise.
Now you're Mr. Slime Pig.
Mr. Slime. Mr. Pig is Mr. Slime now.
Okay, I think he wants to get out. Let's get him out. He's all messing. You wanna go with my Mr. Pig? Oh, he's a little
He's all covered now.
Okay, let's get him out. Maybe he wants to get out. How do I take you out? Oh my gosh. No. Oh, no. How can you help me take this out? Never mind. Okay. Just play with it. Guys, comment below if you like this slime because I love this slime. It's not even sticky at all. You just need to put a lot of glue and a lot of stuff. This is all for today, and you got a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Slime day.